Welcome. Thanks for your time today. You're really going to like this. This presentation is about Wire AI. Wire AI is a no-code solution for AI models. It started with Mitov software, which created the famous no-code solution VisUno, and we're now starting a company called aimaker, which makes Wire AI a no-code solution for AI model development. YRA solves time constraints and AI knowledge gaps. We solve a lot of pain points for modelers. Problems Wire AI solves. We solve a lot of problems for modelers. Data science and AI engineers are expensive and often inefficient. It takes a long time to build custom machine learning models. It takes advanced coding skills to build models and algorithms. There's a scarcity of ML knowledge, but high demand for models. Startup costs are massive, and the tools are expensive and complex. Big tech vendor modeling tools lock companies into closed ecosystems. Current tools don't deliver on ROI promises and are underutilized. Google and Microsoft, and I'll add AWS in there, sell services and have little incentive to cost optimize those services. Consuming AI services and AI APIs does not scale as the costs grow exponentially. We are going to reduce the burden of all of these things. Often, big tech companies steer you into their expensive solutions and try to get you on platform and keep you there. They don't always provide an off-ramp. We find companies purchase expensive Databricks and SageMaker subscriptions and do not use all the features. These are great products, but they're often underutilized due to complexity. If you look at the image on the right, it shows how complex PyTorch and Python code can be. No wonder why people are craving a no-code solution. Features Wire AI offers. On the right, you'll see that we're providing a no-code solution. And you can see that this comes from OpenWire AI. And that's a mock-up display of what Wire AI will look like. So the features are, it's software that builds AI models with a drag and drop interface. There's no coding required. You can build custom machine learning models at a rapid pace. It's smaller, faster, and cheaper models. That's what we're offering. No code model training, no code model fine-tuning, no code inference optimization, integration with TensorFlow, Hugging Face, transformers, and PyTorch. AI and data science engineers will not need to code, and thus they can better focus on business analysis and modeling. It's a visual development environment. A no-coding solution allows you to build models at a rapid pace. We are providing a visual development environment as opposed to code. At aimaker, our mission is to harness the power of AI for global good. We empower technology companies and model as service providers with an advanced no-code model builder, simplifying the creation, testing, and management of AI models. We are committed to enhancing AI engineering with tools that make AI accessible so we can improve the quality of life worldwide. We make AI accessible for the masses. The growth of the global AI market. The current market size is 150 billion in 2023. The projected growth is expected to reach 1.3 trillion by 2030. The annual growth rate is a little bit more than 36%. And that's from 2023 to 2030. That's what's predicted. AI is rapidly being adopted in every single industry. It's predicted that by 2030, this will have contributed about 15.7 trillion and boosted local economies by around 26%. In our niche market, the no-code AI platforms, the market size in 2023 was 3.8 billion, and the forecasted growth from 2024 to 2030 is just north of 30%. It has a broad appeal. It's ideal for subject matter experts and also for sectors with limited technical skills due to the ease of deployment and management. So in stage one, we're going to go after the niche market. In stage two, we're going to go after the global market. Every superhero has an origin story. So here are the brief highlights. In 1998 to 2002, OpenWire was developed as a core technology. Boian was working for Rockwell International and Johnson Controls, and that eventually led to innovation integration. In 2015, skipping ahead a little bit, Mitov Software releases VisiUno, an OpenWire Studio-based IDE for visual programming of Arduino boards and IoT microcontrollers. It's a widely acclaimed product. An OpenWire-based communication library is also released, and communication is added to OpenWire Studio. Going forward a little bit more, in 2017-2024, VisiUno is successfully spun off as a subsidiary of Mitov Software and expanded to target professionals, especially in the industrial control field, and the development of Wire AI begins. The point is we have a fantastic history of victories and are not starting from scratch. So how do we do it? So how are we doing it? Well, we're doing it very well, and we're doing it fast. 2017 to 2023, OpenWire Studio-based VisiUno is effectively spun off as a subsidiary of Mitov Software. In 2024, aimaker emerges as a separate company. aimaker is focused on modelers and companies like Netflix and CrowdStrike, which make custom models, and thus the development of Wire AI application begins at the new company. The core platform exists today. The important thing to note is we're not starting from scratch. The above is an image of OpenWire Studio. We're basing Wire AI, the no-code AI solution, on OpenWire Studio. The platform exists today. We address the core aspects of model development: modeling and training, dataset engineering, inference, optimization, machine learning algorithms, neural network architectures, and training concepts. We have a no-code solution for the foundational models and algorithms. We help developers focus on modeling and not the coding. They're going to free up a lot of time by not doing the coding. AWS and Azure are very good at charging you for the resources your model consumes. How is the user going to work with our system? We will have a drag and dropping component for connect to a data source. We will have a drag and dropping component to select the model type. We'll have a drag and drop-in component for model runs. We will have a drag and drop-in component for model training. Advantages of no-code ML tools like ours. Accessibility. Simplifies the process of model development without deep technical knowledge. We make it easy. Automation. We reduce the need for carousel ML engineering expertise by automating many of the complex processes involved in ML development. There's a need for a lot of models, but not a lot of ML engineers. So if we simplify the process, we can get more people involved. There's also resource efficiency. We're doing less data intensive and less computationally expensive modeling compared to foundational models with 100 billion parameters. It's a strategic necessity. It's essential due to the dominance of big tech and foundational multimodal AI, leveraging the reduced compute and reduced process complexity to offer competitive solutions in a vendor-agnostic way. We provide no-code tooling for developing models, including frameworks for model training, fine-tuning, inference, optimization, and dataset engineering. If you're building custom models, you need to reduce the compute and complexity of the process to stay competitive. We are vendor agnostic, so you don't get trapped in a single platform or technology. Our core goal is to reduce the time by a factor of 10 in model development. We are lowering the cost on pre-training. We are lowering the cost on fine-tuning. We are lowering the cost of inference optimization, and we are lowering the cost of doing the analysis on feature importance. We'll have a lot of partners. We'll work with distributors, we'll work with value-added resellers, and we'll work with some of the big providers of AI solutions. We're going to help lower the cost of their services provided by our partners and by our competitors. Big cloud providers don't have an incentive to lower the consumption cost of their services, but we do, and we will. So how do we make money? Mitov Software has a large list of customers already. We are very familiar with enterprise customers. Mitov Software has a long track record of successful large account sales, and that will help the new product Wire AI. VizUno has a broad appeal. It began as a tool for the maker community and educational purposes. It gained massive popularity with professional users. Australia, New Zealand, and the Europe market are very hot right now. The large interest in VizUno led to the creation of the professional version of VizUno. The task at hand is to review over 7,000 purchases of Mitov software technology to identify professionals for targeted product offers to migrate to Wire AI. We have 48,641 current users to target. We aim to distinguish and categorize professional users from the overall customer base for better engagement. We're going to migrate existing users to Wire AI. Mitov Software has a large customer base, and we expect to utilize that to help us quickly ramp up Wire AI. Some more on how we make money, because that is obviously important. Customers buy a yearly seat of Wire AI for $1,799. aimaker, the new company, will need to raise $3 million to continue our growth and customer acquisition strategy for the Wire AI product. Funding will help with finishing all the required features for an entry into the no-code ML market. We'll hire sales and professional services to help with documentation and integration into large accounts. Approximately 60% will go into software development. We have a SaaS subscription model. It is to be noted that a licensee for unlimited and perpetual license of Mitov software is to be paid by aimaker. aimaker is a standalone company. The company is specialized in the development of high-performance software and data flow solutions involving video processing, audio processing, digital signal processing, real-time data acquisition, communications, process control, computer vision, artificial intelligence, data visualization, visual instrumentation, parallel grid computing, and hardware control. aimaker is the new company seeking capital for Wire AI, the no-code AI solution. The point is, we have been wildly successful and are looking to scale up that success. We're going to be the AutoCAD of AI modeling. We do have a financial analysis in the appendix of this slide deck. We do hope you invest. Thank you for your time and have a great rest of your day.